with Palin Projects here, and in this video we're going to talk about the onions that I'm starting. So there are short day and long day onions. And it just depends on where you're located, what works best for you. I believe I have a mixture. I just kind of want to try them out and just, you know, different varieties and just see what works best. Also, the reason why I have so many varieties is because I got in on M.I. Gardener's grab bag at the end of last season. I believe it was last season. Might have been the season before. And so basically what happens is they throw a whole bunch of their seeds into these bags, and it's just a variety of, like, you know, a mishmash of seeds. You don't get to choose what's in the grab bag. It just is what it is, and it's super cheap. So I got, I think, 1 or 2 grab bags. I don't exactly remember. But it gave me a couple different varieties that I wouldn't necessarily have bought for myself. And instead of just like wasting the seeds, I figured why not throw them in the garden and see if they grow or how they grow. Even if I get, like, you know, this big of an onion out of it, I'll pickle it or do something with it. It's not the end of the world. You know, I got these seeds, I might as well try them and see how they work in my garden. If they work great, wonderful, I'll buy the seeds again. If they don't, I'll figure out something to do with them. It's not that big of a deal. We're just, you know, not going to waste the seeds, and we're going to try something new. So, I don't know if I've mentioned, I think I have in the past. I have decided this year with my daughter that she will be doing her own garden bed. And so I got a bunch of seeds for her as well. Her favorite color is purple. And so I got her a ton of purple themed seeds. This first one is one of them that I'm gonna put in her garden or in her flower bed, and it's the purple bunching onions. So basically everything in her garden is gonna be purple, hence the purple bunching onion. But yeah, these are the red beard bunching onion, and it's vibrant, hardy, and known for its red stalks and green tops. It's a Japanese heirloom, or matures in about 60 days. Yeah. Not a whole heck of a lot more than that. So, it says they can be grown year-round in mild climates. We are not a mild climate, so it'll just be a summer thing for us. But, you know, 'tis fun. She did help me sow these as well, because I have sown them already, and I'll show you how I did that as well. But she got in on that action for us. This one is the Utah Yellow Sweet Spanish. These are a long day, and actually I didn't realize this about M.I. Gardener. That's cool. Oh, that must be an older. No, that's a 2024 one. I don't know. Interesting. They tell you on the back if it's a long day or a short day. Ooh, right there. Can you see it? Ooh, let's focus, camera. There we go. Long day, short day, right there. And then it shows you, like, where it works best. That's pretty cool. I didn't realize the back had that. So, great variety for the West Coast. Soup, stews, and even stir fries. I think I did actually order this one myself. So, I knew these were great in our area. Shallots. Woohoo! Shallots are great. Let's see. They can be overwintered in the soil, or they can be for the following year as multiple smaller shallots similar to garlic grows, grown by seed and harvested first year, much like an onion. I'm growing them much like an onion. Another white onion. This is a long day one. It's originating in Scotland. That's cool. They have a yellow-brown skin and are known for their flavor. 1 to 2 pound size. Oh, 1 to 2. Sometimes up to 5 pounds. Oh, that's going to be a huge onion. That'll be exciting. That's fun. Another long day onion. It's a flat one, though. More of an Italian flavor. Spicy yet nutty. 4 to 6 ounces. Pretty cool. This is more, it says this is they will last 3 to 5 months if kept in a cool storage and braided well. So more of a storage onion. This one I'm going to pickle, or I want to include in a pickling recipe. So this is the Southport White Globe bunching onion. Typically 2 inches in diameter. Sweet crisp onion with a good shelf life when cured correctly. So just like a little tiny onion. I think it'll be a good one for pickling. But if it stores well, I think that would be cool too. Oh, maybe it's this one that I was thinking of pickling. I think that one's one of my storage ones. This is the one that I was gonna pickle. It's the Crystal White Wax, and the bulb size is 1 to 4 inches. And can be, yeah, it's typically harvested for their pickling. This is a short day variety, more of a southern heirloom. So this one might not work for me. We'll see how it goes though. I really hope this works because I really want to use them in pickling. I absolutely love like the pickled, like little tiny pickled onions. I think that would be a good addition to my pickling. My Walla Wallas, long day, first grown on the island of, oh, I can't say that, Corsica. Excuse me. And then bred in Italy. So I've heard these are pretty good storage as well. So jumbo uniform size. That's pretty cool. Okay, my battery died. So new day, but same onions. Next one is Utah Yellow Sweet Spanish. Yes. This is a long day variety. Sweet mild onion and can grow up to a pound or more and has a fair storage life. So we'll try that one out. White Sweet Spanish, long day variety. Pure white with shimmery, easy to peel skins. 3-inch in diameter. And delicious green scallions are just as edible as the bulbs. Well, that's exciting. Little razzle dazzle for our meals. Great to add to salsas, dips, and salads. Yummy. These next two, I don't remember, this is the same one, but they're just like department store onions. So Texas Grano and then Sweet Spanish ones again. The Texas ones, it says mild flavor white onion for the South and Mid-South, disease resistant. So again, I would assume this is a short day onion. I'm gonna try it out. I have the seeds. Might as well at least try it out. And at the very least, if I only get like the scallion portion or the green top portion, I can put that into making broth or something like that with it. Talked about that one already. Let's see. And that one we talked about. Granix Yellow, another department store variety. This one is a sweet onion, large, thick, flat bulb shape, and stays firm, crisp, and sweet when stir-fried or used in salads. So we'll try that one out. The next two, again, this one is purple, so it'll go in my daughter's garden bed. It's just the red onion, long day variety, and it's impressive dark red onion with unmatched flavor. Flattened purple globes and pungent flesh makes this variety a fast favorite. It says it's extremely rare and sought after in the culinary world. I'm not sure how true that is. It's a red onion, but I'm no culinary expertise. And a delicious addition to salads, canning, and fresh eating. So I plan on using this one for salsas mainly and salads. Last but not least, isn't necessarily an onion, but it's a leek. So just the American flag leek. I really want to try these. I've been eating a lot of leeks lately and then saving the tops and throwing the tops and whatnot into my broth when I'm making broth and whatnot. But I've been making a lot of like Asian inspired dishes, and so I've been using a lot of leeks. This one is more mild and sweet flavored than most onions. Not only is it a close relative to the onion, but to garlic as well. White stems grow in width as the leeks mature, giving to green flat leaves. Staple in cuisine, leeks give a taste of light onion flavor to soups, stews, and even traditional English meat pies. It was bred to endure cold weathers, so you know, it's a plus for me up here. So it says, I think this says they'll store up to 2 months, which in that case, like, I've had leeks, not necessarily this type, but just leeks in general, and they store pretty decently in my fridge. So I'm pretty excited for the storage life on this one. But yeah. So those are my onions for this year. I do have some sets as well, so just a generic yellow, white, and red set. I didn't get a good shot at seeing the difference between the onion sets and the starts a couple of years ago, so I just wanted to try that out again. Sometimes the starts or the little bulbs do better for us up here since we do have a shorter growing season, but you know, I figured why not try it out. I can stick the onion sets into you know, little nooks and crannies of the garden or the flower bed or whatever the case is, along with these started plants as well. So I feel like onions don't take up that much room. And we eat a lot of onions, to be honest. Like, I probably go through an onion a day easily when we're, you know, making meals at home and whatnot. So anywho, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everyone. Bye.